Hello and welcome to part 10 of our comprehensive Microsoft Word tutorial series. If you've been with us from the beginning, you've gained valuable insights into various Word features, such as read aloud and check accessibility. In this episode, we're going to take a deep dive into a tool that can truly transform the way you create documents, the Accessibility Checker. Accessibility is not just a buzzword. It's a fundamental aspect of document creation. Ensuring your content is accessible means that it can be effectively used by people with diverse needs, including those who rely on screen readers, voice commands, or other assistive technologies. The Accessibility Checker in Microsoft Word is your compass on the journey toward creating documents that meet and exceed accessibility standards. It identifies issues, suggests improvements, and empowers you to make your documents more inclusive. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a student, or a professional, understanding the Accessibility Checker is a skill that will benefit you and your audience. In this part of our series, we'll walk you through how to use the Accessibility Checker effectively. We'll explore common accessibility issues, learn how to interpret and address the checker's feedback, and discover best practices for creating documents that everyone can access with ease. So, if you're ready to up your word game and make your content more accessible to a broader audience, join us on this enlightening journey. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to ensure that your documents are not only well written but also welcoming and usable by everyone. Let's begin our exploration of the Accessibility Checker, your key to document inclusivity. How to use Microsoft Word's Read Aloud feature. 1. Introduction. The Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word is a powerful tool that allows you to have your documents read aloud to you. This can be incredibly useful for tasks like proofreading, multitasking, or enhancing comprehension and learning. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to use the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word. 2. How to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. If you haven't already, open Microsoft Word and ensure that the document you want to have read aloud is open. B. Locate the Read Aloud feature. For Office 2019, Office 2021, and Microsoft 365 users, go to the Review tab on the Word ribbon. For other versions, please note that the availability of this feature may vary. If it's not available in your version, you may need to consider upgrading to one of the versions mentioned above for access to Read Aloud. C. Select Read Aloud.
Point 2.
In the Review tab, click on Read Aloud to activate the feature. D. Play and control Read Aloud. To play the text, click on the play button in the controls that appear. To pause Read Aloud, click on the pause button. To move from one paragraph to another, you can use the previous or next buttons. To stop Read Aloud at any time, click on the Stop X button. E. Adjust Read Aloud settings. If you want to customize the reading experience, click on the gear icon in the controls at the top right. Here, you can adjust settings such as reading speed and voice selection. F. Keyboard shortcuts. Microsoft Word also offers keyboard shortcuts for Read Aloud in Windows. Control plus Alt plus space, start Read Aloud. Control plus space, play or pause Read Aloud. Control plus left arrow, skip to the start of the current paragraph. Control plus left arrow, skip to the start of the previous paragraph. Control plus right arrow, skip forward to the start of the next paragraph. Alt plus left arrow, decrease reading speed. Alt plus right arrow, increase reading speed. Conclusion. The Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Word is a valuable tool for various tasks, from proofreading to multitasking and improving comprehension. With the ability to customize settings and control playback, it provides a flexible and convenient way to have your documents read aloud to you. Give it a try in your Microsoft Word application and experience the benefits of Read Aloud for yourself. In Microsoft Word, you can check the accessibility of your document by following these steps. 1. Open your document. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document you want to check for accessibility. 2. Navigate to the Review tab. Click on the Review tab in the Microsoft Word ribbon. This tab contains various tools and features for reviewing and enhancing your document. 3. Access the Accessibility group. Within the Review tab, you'll find the Accessibility group. This group contains tools and features related to document accessibility. 4. Select Check Accessibility. In the Accessibility group, click on the Check Accessibility option. This will initiate the accessibility check for your document. 5. Review the Accessibility Checker pane. After you select Check Accessibility, a pane will appear on the right side of your document. This pane will display any accessibility issues found in your document, along with suggestions on how to fix them. 6. Address accessibility issues. Review the accessibility issues and warnings provided in the pane. Click on each issue to get more information and suggestions on how to resolve it. Word will often offer guidance on how to make your document more accessible, such as adding alternative text for images or ensuring proper heading structure. 7. Make necessary changes. To address accessibility issues, make the necessary changes in your document. For example, you might need to add alt text to images, use headings correctly, or provide meaningful hyperlink text. 8. Recheck accessibility, optional. After making changes to your document, you can recheck its accessibility by clicking the Check Accessibility option again. This helps ensure that you've resolved the identified issues. 9. Save your document. Once you're satisfied with the accessibility improvements, save your document to retain the changes. By using the Check Accessibility feature in Microsoft Word, you can ensure that your documents are more inclusive and accessible to a wider audience, including individuals with disabilities who may use assistive technologies to access content. It's an essential step in creating documents that meet accessibility standards and guidelines. As we wrap up this deep dive into Microsoft Word's accessibility checker, you've gained a valuable skill set that will make a significant impact on your document creation process. Accessibility isn't just a checklist item, it's a commitment to making information and content available to everyone, regardless of their abilities. By understanding how to use the accessibility checker effectively, you've taken a crucial step towards being a more responsible and inclusive document creator. We hope that the knowledge you've gained here empowers you to create documents that reach a broader audience, whether it's educational materials, business reports, or personal projects. Remember, inclusivity isn't just a feature, it's a mindset, and it's something that we should all strive for in our digital age. In the next part of our tutorial series, we'll continue exploring advanced features and tips to enhance your proficiency in Microsoft Word. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for joining us in this episode, and we'll see you in the next one as we continue our journey to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Word. Until then, happy document creation, and remember, accessibility matters.